In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assign and remove credentials from employees. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this, then click on Credentials. Next, select the credential you would like to assign. Let's say Sanitation. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Assignments. You should arrive at a chart with your sanitation assignments. If I wanted, I could also click the menu icon next to the credential type and choose the credential from this list. I'll go ahead and leave it on sanitation. Next, I can add an assignment. If I click the Add button, I can choose an employee to assign this to. Let's say Allison. I could also choose to assign this to more than one employee. By holding the Control key, I can select more than one. Next, select the status of this assignment. If you click the arrow, you can choose that this assignment is pending or complete. Maybe I will say complete. Then enter in the assignment's due date. I'll click this icon and choose next week. Then select the date they completed the assignment. I'll click this calendar icon and choose today. I could also assign effective dates. I could add an external ID, an authority score, an authority coverage, an authority issued ID, an item ID, and any notes. Maybe I will put updated process. Next, scroll down. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this assignment, click Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now this assignment has been added. Notice that Cassie now has 2 of these assignments. Maybe she completed it, and I can go ahead and delete that pending one. So I will click on Cassie's pending sanitation assignment. Then in the bottom left corner, choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this assignment. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now Cassie's previous assignment has been deleted. That's how you can assign and remove credentials from employees in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to deploy credentials to employees, how you can add more than one credential to an employee at a time.